Okay, so our first question, which is 2a, our integral is e power 2x minus 1 over 2, then sin 2x minus 1 into dx. Here there are two terms, so you can say separate them. For example, 2x into dx, negative 1 over 2 is constant outside. Then we have a sin of 2x negative 1 into dx. Okay, let's solve this one. Here, if we have this function and we divide it by 2 and we times it by 2, now we can see that this 2 is the derivative of the power of this exponential function.
Yeah.
So then this answer will be just simply the function, meaning e power x. Similarly, here what we do, we can see here we have a 2x
Wait,
minus 1.
wouldn't it be E1/2 E2x?
Yes. So here we have a 1 over 2 sin 2x negative 1. So 2x negative 1, its derivative is 2. So now we are dividing by 2 and also multiplying it by 2. And then we actually get this 1 into dx. Now here you can see that actually the derivative of sin 2x, the derivative of cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 times sin 2x minus 1. So when you will go back, you will get 1 over 2 into cos 2x negative 1. What? There will be a negative sign that will make our this negative into positive, plus c, the constant of integration. Now, if, for example, we go to 2b, we can see here that it is the integral of e power x plus 1 and its square into dx. Now, here, what we can see that it is actually, you can say we have a function and it has power. So we cannot apply the power formula here on this function until we do have the derivative of this function next to it, which is as a factor. So we can simply open this square. So when we open the square, it will be e power 2x, then plus 2 times e power x, then plus 1, meaning the square of the first term plus 2 times the product of these two terms plus the square of the second term and then into dx. So now if we see this, that this integral will be e power 2x divided by 2. Now plus this is 2 times e power x as it is plus x plus c. Got it?
Yeah,
Clear?
that makes sense. Yeah.
Very good. So now we can actually also solve these questions in the same way. So let's go to this last question, E. Okay. So in this question E, you can see that we do have the trigonometric and exponential functions where we have the situation is the following, that for example the integral e power 3 minus x plus sin 3 minus x, then plus cos 3 minus x into dx. Okay. Now, if, for example, we there is also another method to prove these kind of things, that is, we call it substitution. Meaning that what you are going to do, you are going to consider that u is equal to 3 minus x. Now, if we take the derivative du is equal to negative x is 1 into dx. Okay, so it means that this dx is equal to negative du. Okay, now let's apply this on our integral. Then we can see that if we do this substitution, after this substitution, we will get integral of e power u plus sin u plus cos u into du with negative sign. So now you can see everything is very simple. So their integrals exponential as it is. Since integral is negative cos, and negative which was outside will turn into positive cos u, and the integral of the cos u is just simply sin u, and this negative will go there, then plus c. Now you can put this u back, then negative e power 3 minus x plus cos 3 minus x, then minus sin 3 minus x plus c. Got it?
Yeah.
Very good. Now we move to next type of the questions that are actually, you can say, the fractions, algebraic fractions. And if these are algebraic fractions, then how we can try these questions? Let's see. We have our very first question. Let me have this time the blue board, because then we can write in the white. Okay. Question 3a. So here we have the integral of 1 over 2x plus 1 into dx. So again, we can use the substitution. For example, that let's u is equal to, let's use u is equal to 2x plus 1. Then now du is equal to 2 dx, because the derivative of 2x is 2 and 1 is 0, so it's 2x. So let's put these values back there. Then we can see that the integral of 1 over u and times dx is du over 2. So then this is 1 over 2 outside, and here we will have du. And now we get 1 over 2, 1 over u, its integral is a natural log of u plus c. And now you can put this u value back. So it means this must be equal to 1 over 2 natural log of mod of 2x plus 1 plus c. And then you can also actually, when you look this answer, so you can actually also see that if we are going to solve an integral of 1 over a function and its derivative is in numerator, so then we can simply write that its answer is natural log of this function plus c. Got it?
Yeah.
Clear? Yes.
Yeah.
Now, if, for example, we have this b, then we can try that this is 1 over 2x plus 1 and its square into dx. And again, we can use the same substitution. So in this way, what we are getting, that 1 over 2 and integral of 1 over u square into dx. And this answer is 1 over 2, and this will be negative 1 over u plus c. Now let's put these values back. Negative 1 over 2 times 1 over 2x plus 1 plus c. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is actually our answer. Now here you can also think in another way, that for example we have this integral that we can write as 2x plus 1 and its square into dx. Now if I divide it by 2 and times it by 2, then you can say it is 2x plus 1 square times 2 into dx. So this thingy over here, this integral, I can write that it is the integral of a function and that has some power n. What next factor is simply the derivative of this function. Then you can apply the power formula, meaning the answer is the function n plus 1 then divided by n plus 1 plus c. Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
That makes
Now,
sense.
yes, exactly. So now what we can do, we can try few more questions. Let me try the question G. And in this question G, what we do have, we have this 2G here and the integral of 3x plus 2 and its power 5 dx. What is the derivative of 3x plus 2? This is 3, so we can write 1 over 3.
Right. Yeah.
Sorry, so the derivative of 3x plus 2 is 3. So we are dividing it by 3 and also multiplying it by 3. So now we have this condition that a function and its derivative. So you can write it 1 over 3. Answer is 3x plus 2 power 6 divided by 6 plus c. Okay, so it means answer is 3x plus 2 power 6 divided by
This one more
18
different. Can't you
plus.
just
Sorry?
for this question? That's generic. Keep doing. Nah,
So they
that's
are only saying that integrating the following.
yeah.
So sometimes they say that use the substitution method. So in that case, you have to consider that u is equal to 3x plus 2, and then you can see du is equal to 3 into dx. Okay, so we divide and we times by 3, so you can say this 3x is going to be du, then our actually the function is turning into u power 5 into du. If we so write it, so we can write it here 1 over 3 as well. So now here it is 1 over 3 u power 5. With respect to u, we integrate, so u power 6 over 6 plus c and put the u back. Then it is 1 over 18 and u is 3x plus 2 and its power 6. So it's the same answer, isn't it?
Yeah.
So there is no difference. So then this is actually, you can say the formula for the integration, that where you can actually prove it, that if you do have a function and the next factor of it is its derivative, then you can apply the power formula of integration, meaning the function will get its power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Good?
Yeah.
Very good. Now you will try some questions.